All right, I just bought this. I think it was like 39 bucks or something like that. Pretty cheap. It's like the cheapest sound bar you can buy for your TV. So I'm gonna try it out because I just want to experiment, see if it's any good. And if it is, we'll keep it. But if it isn't, we'll get rid of it. All right, so it comes out. Look, it says how to set up your sound bar. You got a little QR code. That's what everybody's doing now. They're saving money. It does come with its own remote and some wiring, some screws and things of that nature. This is your transformer, I do believe. And let's see, we've got a quick start menu in here, which you might need. And it's got some different things in there. Let's just take a look at it and see what we got. All right, there we go. Let's save those in case we got to send it back. And let's get it out of its packaging. Oh, wow, looks nice. I've got to say it's got a good presentation. Looks pretty simple. I would think that, oh yeah, here we go. So you got power button, plus minus, that must be sound up, sound down. You got a mode, you got your electrical input for your power, you got your optical, you got your line out, you got a line in. So you could use headphones there, I do believe. And that's pretty much it. And you can screw it onto the wall. Look, you got little screw holes here that you could stick it in, and it sets down. And this is the front of it, and that's it right there. Bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, let's take a look in here and see what we got. All right, so here's our remotage. There it is. Looks pretty simple. Let's see, I don't think there's any batteries in here, but we'll see what we need to put in here. Looks like it's AAA batteries. We need 2 of those. All right, so let's set that there for a second. It does come with this, this looks kind of like what you have at the end of your headphones, but this is like, this plugs in here and then this would plug into the TV. You could do it that way. But it does give you this optical splitter. I mean, this optical cable, I'm sorry, I have an optical splitter. And it's not very long. That's not a very long cable. I've got longer ones. But we'll try, maybe we'll use this. I don't know. We'll see. All right. And then it has another thing here. And it has make sure cables are connected, blah, blah, blah. It's got more information. Oh, it's got Bluetooth. So you've got a pairing mode with this you can do with Bluetooth. But I don't want to do that. I'm going to put it with a, I'm going to hook it up with the optical splitter. Because that way you can use the speakers on your TV, and you can also use the box, you know, so you get the sound out of the box and out of the TV. And I'm hoping out of the headphones. We'll see.